Morning. Good morning. Oh my god. I didn't even look like that this morning. So I can learn how to love. Hey y'all, good morning. It is, come on buddy boy, 8:21 today. Today is a super exciting day. I am redoing my room, as I said in my last video, and I have to go buy some stuff. So, y'all are coming with me. Also, this is not what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm about to go work out. I do not want to, like, at all. I have had no motivation. Anyways, yeah, I made my coffee. It freaking burned my tongue. Not fun. It's in an Arctic cup, so I'm gonna actually take off the lid. Okay, just kidding. That is tight. Dang, I'm strong. That's my workout for the day. Let's go back inside. I'm about to go work out, come home, take a shower. I'll show you what my room looks like. I'm meeting Sydney at noon. Okay, kind of a change of plans. Oh my god, just stay there. Oh my god, my face looks freaking orange. Change of plans. I'm at Sonic. Oops, someone too. Thank you so much.
Ketchup.
Can I have some ketchup? Thank you. Have a great day. Oops. So I got Sonic. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Whoa, kind of good lighting. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Sonic. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna like eat out as much, but I have a gift card. And also, when I went on the app, it said I'd get medium tots. I already ate some, but it said I'd get medium tots, and I really wanted a burrito. So I mean, it's okay. But honestly, I was thinking about it on the way here. I don't smell good. Hi, handsome. Hi, baby. Good morning. Hi. All right, here's my room. An absolute mess. But I did just get these drawers and this mirror. And I already filled it up and stuff. I'm gonna do a tour and stuff later and like what all this is. But yeah, my scrunchies are down here. My room's a mess, but it's being redecorated. Shower time. Yeah, that was ugly. I went like this. Yeah. So last night is when I put up all these drawers. So I was really tired and also wanted to watch The Blacklist. So I just ended up doing that. So there's a bunch of just crap everywhere. Also, I found these. And if you're in my softball team, you know what these are. So basically for senior night, they wrote something. But also, I'm super cute. I don't even know how long ago that was. Alright, y'all. So just got some moolah. And I'm about to head over to Jeanette's. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna ask Sydney what she's wearing, because I don't know what to wear. I'm probably just gonna wear some Nike shorts and a shirt. I don't match right now. So yeah, my room's still a mess. Didn't get to clean that. The guys were so nice, and his helper was really hot. So he's my baby boy. But yeah, this looks bad. Okay, I'm gonna get cute, and I'll be right back. I'm about to go to Jenna's house, and then I'm gonna go meet Sydney. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Hey, beautiful people. Hi. I made it. Also, I got this. Me, the YouTuber over one. You like that? Yeah, okay. That was a joke, but you didn't laugh. It's called birthday. That's so freaking mean. It's called birthday cake bash. Taste it.
I've never had a bang before.
Just try it. I don't like it at all. I had to chug it because I made a mess in here. And I had to chug it.
That's disgusting.
I know. Okay, we're gonna go to, sorry for covering it up. We're gonna go to the bank and first. And I don't know what else. We're kind of, I know
You
we have
gotta
to
stop at a lot of places.
Oh shoot, I have to go somewhere. It's on the other side of Pearland. Oh, Michael's is having a 50% off any regular item. I'm thinking about getting calligraphy pens and markers.
Okay.
And so it's only one item. So if we do that, can I give you money and you buy it with the coupon?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, we have a bunch of things planned. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. We are at the Home Goods looking for D pillows. D with the D and the E. D pillows. Yeah, D-E. Duh. I don't know. I've never been in here. I don't know. Oh my gosh, there's so many. My bed. Oh, I like it. See, I want something like this. Look at that. $20,000. Where's the clearance? So, if you ever come for me, don't give me this shit. I am gonna grab it. We're at Target. Welcome to my ASMR. Let's get some vlog content. You could wear a jean jacket with anything. But with what you're wearing now, that that might go too far. Ooh, but a leather jacket. Okay, let's get this good shot. Ooh, yes. Yes, girl. Yes. She ain't wearing shorts. That's really cute. Actually, it wouldn't look bad with your outfit right now. All right, y'all. I'm at the Michael. Hopefully there's a cute guy named Michael in here. Oh, I know. Got you some balls. She got balls in her hand. Also, there's a freaking clearance event. So, I see it. I see clearance. Cause I'm from Texas, dog. I'm gonna put a little effect in there.
It go Texas from the south, Louisiana from the south. All my niggas from the south know what the fuck I'm talking about. Bitch, I'm from Texas, man. Hey, what go down? Whoop de whoop, bitch, I'm from Texas, man. Bro, it sings. What it do? Bitch, I'm from Texas, man.
Hi, vloggers. So we just finished shopping. Oh, we have to go to that person's house. Yes. Got a lot of stuff. See, I don't cuss that much. Actually, I'm gonna show you a haul later, so stick around, idiots. I mean, nice people. Okay, let's go. Vlog monsters, we're at Baybrook, and it's really crowded. Hey vlog squad, we're back at the apartment. I have to pee really bad. I bought a lot of stuff. I bought more than, I don't know. We didn't get to finish all of our tasks because, why? Oh, we ran out of time. But we're gonna go later tonight after pitching and touching. But I have to pee. I'm about to pee on myself. This is great vlog content. Hey vlog, it's 5:47. I don't know when I last updated you. Oh, it was when I was on the toilet. I caught someone and then I caught Sydney. I feel broken.
I hate my life.
Oh my god. I promised them I was gonna work out. What? Gotta edit that out. Hi mom. I'm so sorry. I'll get it for you later. We're gonna go. Alright, y'all, we're at Lowe's. We're about to walk to the exit. Can't do that. We follow the rules. We're Christian gals. Right. She's a hoe. That was a joke. I'm watching the text. But that was a joke.
Okay, let's just keep going.
Why do I look up? I have to stop cussing. Why do I look like a dead rat? Should I go ask him?
Yes.
Oh, nothing. How cute. Alright, y'all. Terrible lighting, but like, I don't really care. I'm in such a bad mood. Ow. I'm trying to be in a good mood. It's not even like I'm just tired. And I'm tired of driving. And I'm tired of everything. And there's something I'm not telling y'all, but like I can't tell y'all that yet because I haven't told my mom yet. But by the time this goes up, I'll probably tell her because I think it's serious. Anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got today. So I got this comforter. It's more purple. It's like a lavender. Pretty cute. Really big and fluffy. And then it's 2 pillowcases. Yay. Leah, I'll fight you. And then I got this. I don't know if it matches, but like, we're gonna make it work. If not, I'll just go find something else. Like, it doesn't matter that much, but this is so soft. And okay, so I kind of bought it. I was like, I put on that time, I even said like $1, like don't come at me with that. So if you ever come for me, don't give me this shit. And then I picked it up and took it to the cash register. It was $1.99 off. Yeah. No, it was 99 cents off. But when I got to the register, good news, it actually ended up ringing up as $12. I did not correct the lady. Because I sure as heck wanted that sale. Okay, and then I got some other goodies. We're going to start with Hollister. Actually, we're going to start with Garage. I got this at Garage. Let me take down my hair. It's probably disgusting because I caught it. But, hair. And then I got this beanie. How does it go? I don't wear beanies. I don't know if I like it, but it's also on sale for $10. I mean for $5. So I got it. And then the next thing I got, oh my god, my hair. Sis, what? Okay, the next thing I got is this shirt from Hollister. It's like, it's not cropped. It goes like to the bottom of my belly, but it's like loose and flowy. It has that on it. Super cute. That's the only like clothes I bought. I wasn't going for clothes. I wasn't supposed to buy any clothes, but it was really cheap. And like both places tried to ring it up like actual price. And I was like, those are on sale. Like those on sale, yeah. So I got them on sale because they were on sale. We're moving on. Also, the bullet journal that I ordered. Oh my gosh, what is happening? I went and checked if it was in yet. They said no. So this goes with my bullet journal. So I'm trying to figure out what I got. I got these markers. It's like, it says triangle markers. And there's 36 colors. So I got this. And then I also got a regular black marker. Even though I think that has black. Bro, I didn't even think about that. But like this one's like that. I don't even know. I don't know. Next thing and last thing I got is, which we're gonna do today. We're gonna paint. It is currently 7:52 and we're gonna paint my mirror. I don't see why not.